The oil maintenance light on your Toyota Sienna is a reminder for scheduled oil changes. It is triggered by mileage or time intervals, not by actual oil quality. It's crucial to reset this light after each oil change to ensure accurate reminders. Reset procedures vary by Sienna model year: 2004, 2010, 2011 to 2020, and 2021, and newer models. Ignoring the light can lead to missed maintenance and potential engine wear. This is not an oil pressure warning, which indicates immediate danger. Always consult your owner's manual for model-specific instructions or visit a certified Toyota dealer. The reset procedure depends on your Sienna's model year. For 2004-2010 models, use the odometer trip button. For 2011-2020 models, use the DISP or info button to navigate to maintenance items. For 2021 plus models with a touchscreen, go to Settings, Vehicle, Maintenance. After performing an oil change, complete the reset to clear the reminder. Failure to properly reset may require a dealership software update. Using the My Toyota app after your service at the dealership may automatically reset the light by scanning the QR code. Ignoring other maintenance alerts will make the maintenance light persist.